peeps, dit is Jenny van Disrupt Tutoring en soos altyd is dit 'n plesier om by julle aan te sluit. Vandag gaan ons begin met 'n bespreking oor die indirekte rede. We are going to discuss indirect speech. I prefer to call it reported speech because you are reporting somebody else's words. Sin nommer 1 sê, ma sê vir die kinders, julle moet betyds by die huis wees vir aandete. Mother says to the children, you must be on time at home for dinner. Now we want to report the mother's words. Therefore, for a sentence, we make use of the conjunction dat. Mother says to the children that they must be home on time for dinner. So we need to do two things. We join with dat, which is a conjunction of group 3. That means my verbs go to the end of the sentence. And we change the pronoun to be logical. Let's try. Ma sê vir die kinders dat they, hulle. Now, the verb is moet and wees. Because dat is group 3, those verbs need to go to the end of the sentence. Dat hulle betyds by die huis vir aandete. And now we take my verbs to the end. The verb that comes first stays first. Moet wees. The mother says to the children that they must be home on time for dinner. It's a sentence. We're reporting the mother's words. The conjunction we use for sentences is dat. Dat belongs to group 3, so the verbs go to the end of the sentence. And it's very important to know to change my pronoun to make logical sense. The mother says, you must be home. The mother says that they must be home. Number 2 is a vraag. Number 2 is a question. It works in the same way as a sentence, but for a question, the conjunction we use is of, which means if or whether. And once again, it's group 3 word order. All of indirect speech is group 3 word order. Paul vra, kan Piet vandag by ons kom eet? Okay, let's underline my verb. Kan kom eet. Paul says, can Pete come and eat with us today? Paul asks if Pete can come and eat with them today. Paul vra of Piet vandag by, not at us, by hulle. Now we put all my verbs to the end. In the order, the verb that comes first stays first. Kan kom eet. Full stop. No more question mark because it's a reported question. Of is my conjunction for questions. The verbs go to the end of the sentence because it's group 3, and we need to change our pronoun to be logical. Paul asks, can Pete come and eat with us today? Paul asks if Pete can come and eat with them today. Voordat ek afsluit, wil ek net baie dankie sê aan ons Epic Borgmaatskappy wat hierdie video moontlik gemaak het. Lees alles oor hulle in die beskrywing hieronder. Onthou om ons webtuiste te besoek vir meer van hierdie Epic studieklas video's. As jy nie die antwoord op jou vraag kan vind nie, stuur vir ons die vraag en ons sal antwoord met 'n persoonlike video net vir jou. Tot volgende keer, bly